Hi guys, I'm actually just sat outside today relaxing a bit with my rabbit Rhonda over here, and just thought I would go over how I thought my paper ones went last week. Obviously paper 2 coming up for chemistry tomorrow. So chemistry I was never going to be looking forward to. It is my most hated paper out of like all of them, paper 1, so I was not feeling confident going into it, but then it wasn't a bad one. As far as paper 1s go, for me it was a good one. I'm still not convinced that I did very well on it, but I think it could have gone a lot worse, so that was always good. And then biology, I actually really liked the paper. I came out of it feeling really good. I actually had another exam that afternoon, so I went into that feeling a lot better as well, just because chemistry, it was a lot of biology was a lot of like data analysis, and the last 5 markers were just factual recall, and they were just a total blessing, so I was really happy with mine.
Thanks for watching the video. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you liked it. We've got a link there for you to check out the free trial. You should try it. There is a recommended video specifically for you, plus a toolkit video. And if you don't already know, the Tailored Toolkit is our free content initiative to show a bit of extracurricular examples that help strengthen understanding without always reading from the spec.